From Tonga to the world and back home again, Tonga Market Limited, trading as Tonga AI, is building practical digital tools for Pacific business. PaciSeller is our multivendor creator plugin for WordPress with a companion theme for the storefront. In this 3-minute tour, we show exactly what the free plugin can do and where the optional theme fits. Start with the free PaciSeller plugin. It is enough to set up a complete no-code website for selling products and offering services. The same site can support rentals, appointments, bookable experiences, and downloadable ebooks. You do not need a separate third-party plugin to create this core selling path. That means a local business can begin with one clear system, one dashboard, and one place to manage its marketplace. In WordPress, install the free plugin and open the PaciSeller dashboard. The plugin is the essential selling engine. When you want the matching storefront look, add the PaciSeller theme as the presentation layer. The theme is optional. The free plugin alone can still power the website. This keeps the first setup understandable for a shop owner, a service provider, an accommodation host, or a community marketplace. For Tongan and Pacific businesses, the value is simple. You can start without building an expensive annual multivendor stack. Some standard multivendor plugins can cost up to $2,000 each year before other extensions or services are added. PaciSeller is completely free for Tongan and Pacific nations. That gives local sellers a practical way to test an idea, onboard vendors, and grow a marketplace without making a large subscription the first step. Creating a normal product is straightforward. Add the product name and a clear description. Choose an image so customers can recognize the offer. Select a category, set the selling price, and enter the inventory or stock information. Add the seller details, review the listing, and publish. The important point is that the creator flow is visible. The merchant moves from product information to product data to a ready listing. Bookable services and rentals use the same no-code foundation with booking rules added before customers arrive. Choose service or appointment. Then decide whether the booking unit is a night, a day, an hour, or a session. Set the duration and guest limit. Add minimum notice so the provider has time to prepare. Include customer notes and optional add-ons when the experience needs more detail. This can describe accommodation, a tour, transport, a lesson, an appointment, or another service that customers need to reserve. The marketplace can sell the offer and manage the booking path in one place. For digital product, choose download or ebook. Turn on virtual and downloadable, attach the file, and prepare the listing for delivery. A guide, catalog, course resource, or local publication can become a product without introducing another digital download system. Products, services, rentals, appointments, and ebooks can sit together in the same Pacific marketplace. This is the proof path shown here. Tonga Market.com is running with PaciSeller. The public marketplace can present products, stays and tours, stores, services, and ebooks in one experience. Behind each offer is the same creator idea. Make the important fields clear, make the selling path complete, and make the first step affordable. PaciSeller is created by Tonga Market Limited, trading as Tonga AI. The free plugin is built for Tongan and Pacific businesses that want to sell online without a complicated plugin stack. Start with the free foundation, add the companion theme when you need it, and build from there. Visit tongamarket.com/PaciSeller to get started.